Out the blossoming canvas, Tales of Willowbrook Village. Village's beauty unites community. In a quiet corner of the countryside lay a charming small village named Willowbrook. Nestled between rolling hills and a winding river, the village was known for its picturesque landscapes and tight-knit community. Life in Willowbrook flowed at its own unhurried pace, where the scent of blooming wildflowers mingled with the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. The heart of the village was its central square, where a centuries-old oak tree stood, its branches stretching toward the sky like the arms of a protective guardian. Underneath the shade of the oak, villagers would gather to share stories, laughter, and news of the day. Market days were a vibrant affair, with stalls of fresh produce, handmade crafts, and the tantalizing aroma of home-cooked delicacies wafting through the air. One day, an artist named Alara arrived in Willowbrook, seeking inspiration for her next masterpiece. With her canvas and brushes, she wandered through the village, captivated by the simplicity and authenticity of its beauty. Alara painted scenes of children chasing butterflies in the meadow, elderly villagers tending to their gardens, and the glistening river that mirrored the changing seasons. As Alara's artwork adorned the walls of the village square, a sense of pride swelled among the villagers. The paintings captured not just the scenery, but the essence of their community, a reminder of the tranquility and bonds that held them together. Over time, Alara's presence began to weave deeper into the fabric of Willowbrook. She joined in the villagers' festivities, shared in their joys and sorrows, and even taught the children how to express themselves through art. In return, the villagers shared their traditions, tales, and the wisdom accumulated over generations. As the years passed, Willowbrook became a haven not only for its residents, but for travelers seeking respite from the chaotic outside world. The village thrived as people from distant lands came to experience the warmth and harmony it offered. Visitors marveled at the hand-painted signs that marked each lane, the colorful flowers that adorned every windowsill, and the genuine smiles that greeted them at every turn. And so the story of Willowbrook continued, a tale of a small village that blossomed not just in natural beauty, but in the hearts of those who called it home. Through art, unity, and an appreciation for life's simple pleasures, Willowbrook stood as a testament to the enduring power of community and the profound impact that even the smallest places can have on the human soul.